education is very important to SonoSite. We see ourselves as being one of the best clinical leaders in education. We believe in educating somebody once they've purchased a machine, be that anybody, it doesn't matter whether they purchase one of our machines or somebody else's, but helping them to get the best that they can out of that machine and making a difference to somebody's life.
I've been running ultrasound and echo courses for over 20 years and with SonoSite now for about 9 years. A key thing about the courses which we run is that the teachers are very, very senior people in their fields.
I've worked with the committee in constructing FICE, and I was approached by Sean to come and join him.
I describe myself as a self-confessed ultrasound geek. I use ultrasound in my clinical practice every day: cardiac, pulmonary, abdominal, everything essentially that I can get my hands on and fully integrate it into my clinical practice.
Point of care ultrasound is an up-and-coming field in medicine, and it's up and coming because it's so incredibly useful and it makes such a difference to patient care.
It's a technology which most of us didn't do at medical school, and so it's nice to bring people into an environment where they can comfortably make all the mistakes which they're worried about. They can play with the machines, use the machines, learn what looks complicated and turn it into something that's actually very simple to do. So once you've learned about ultrasound, you can apply it to many different specialties.
The nice thing about this course is that it's cosy, as in it's small, a really good faculty to candidate ratio. We found that having a ratio of 4:1 gives the optimal ratio of education to scanning. So they get lots of dedicated hands-on scanning time. It's learning how what you do with your hands turns into pictures on the screen, and that's what they get all day here with SonoSite.
The three key benefits of this SonoSite course are you're going to learn how to acquire images, how to interpret them, and then how to start integrating that into clinical practice, which is so important.
Anything that you can do with ultrasound, SonoSite can provide a course for. So whether that's vascular access or assessing veins for deep vein thrombosis, for doing abdominal scans, lung, heart, you name it, if you can scan it, they can do it.
Our courses are very accessible. You can expect to be looked after with a full agenda that teaches you everything you need to know about that subject. Booking a SonoSite education course is really simple. Just tap in sonositeeducation.com and then straight away you can see the selection of courses that we have. We want any ultrasound users to be the best that they can be, and with our guidance, we'll help them become that.